channel, and today this is going to be the quickest get ready with me ever, and it's just for Halloween, but I'm like dying of thirstation. I'm a woman boxer. I didn't realise the sleeves. What's going on here? Right, anyway, I've got to like crack on because I've only got, oh no, I've wetted me shiny tights. Right, I've literally got 20, I've had all day to get ready and I've got 20 minutes. 20 minutes. That you're now a part of. Yeah. I'm videoing! A YouTube video. Charlie, you've got to hurry up. I think I want to take this off. Right. Oh god, my skin feels horrible. Right. What I am using is simple, kind of skin hydrating, light moisturiser. Simply the best. Where do you live? This one. Oh my god. I've got no idea what I'm doing. Right. Sleeves are up. This sleeves are. Right, I'm going to add this cream makeup and foundation together. I might just add this foundation actually instead of just... We'll just use this MAC foundation instead of using white. It's full coverage though. Right. I need you. Mirror. Oh, I got a new car and that's been like my life for the last 2 days. Just driving around in that bad boy. I just thought I'd like let you know what I've been doing. And then I've got a Halloween party tonight with some of my pals, which is going to be fun. Okay, done. I'm joking. It's hair in my face and everything. Only like 10-15 minutes to get ready because I've had all day but I haven't done anything to like get ready. That's right. It's lucky that this is an old shirt. I don't need it because I'm going to be covered in fake blood. Fireworks, man, I didn't need them. Will you bug off? I like fireworks as much as the next person, but not when it's not on firework night. No. Oh, there's a hair in my eye. It's in my eye. Why? What's going on with these tights? They're from China, but like how small are China women? Because I'm small, but like the ankle part is halfway up. I have a both child. Either way, they were very hard to get on and I've never had problems with tights before. But they're like thick, sort of leggedy tights are weird. But, oh dear. It took a while to get them on. Powder done, we're going to contour. Oh god. You'd think I'd be climbing up lots of stairs, like, is there any need? Swear to god it's not that dark. Why does the camera make it look like everything's darker than it actually is? It's probably my lighting. I need more lights. Right, I'm gonna go over the forehead. My big ass forehead. Yeah. Right. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh. Lovely, 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 jubbly. Get it in the hairline. Go on. Yeah. like I've been in the pit. Been doing the pit. That's all it looks like, just like you've been down the pit. I'll do my nose as well, even though I am going to make it look like I've got a bruised nose. Jesus Christ. As I'm going to make a cut at the top of my head here, but it needs to be quite realistic. See, there's a friend here already. I'm just busy making cuts over my eyes and my nose.
Oh,
Come in.
Cool.
That's just my friend Amy walking in, because as I say, I'm running late. Where's my little brush
Don't
mark?
get me boobs just hanging out. Oh, please edit that out.
The boobies! I need
I got
paper.
food in here too.
You what?
Got food in here too.
Oh, I forgot to say, I'm using the Candy Cosmetics palette. Right. I need purple. I need to do a black eye as well. How on earth do you do black
Just
eye?
need one.
There you go, I'll run into that wall. That was only supposed to be a small cut, but it ended up being massive. Get a bit more red in. So I need to crack on, get this bruised eye a bit more blended in. Just a little bit over the nose. That guy. We'll do a little bit of booze in here as well. I'm just using purples and blacks and a red. So that's the bruising done. I'm going to do a tiny bit on my neck as well. So I'm just lightly blending and then adding different colours. I'm gonna add a little bit of sparkle. Black. My bruise is done. Bruise is done. It can still be bashed up and still wear a bit highlight. God, I'm gonna actually add a tiny bit blusher. I'll do the mascara and I'll just do a fake blood last because I just feel like that's going to go everywhere. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. Oh my god. All over. Right, so this is it, my boxers, woman boxers dead look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you stayed, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and subscribe if you want to see some more videos like this, and I have some vlogs on the way. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.